Hello guys, in this video we are going to see solution for bag of coins problem. The problem statement goes like this. You have 10 bags full of coins. In each bag there are infinite coins. But one bag is full of forgeries and you can't remember which one. But you know that a genuine coin weighs 1 gram but forgeries weigh 1.1 grams. You have to identify that bag in minimum readings. You are provided with a digital weighing machine. So we have got 10 bags and let's say bag number 6 has forged coins. We have one digital weighing machine. If I weigh a real coin, it will give the reading as 1 gram, and if I weigh a forged coin, it will give the reading as 1.1 gram. Similarly, for 5 coins, the weight of real coins will be 5 grams and for forged coins the weight will be 5.5 grams. Now I can check the coins from each bag one by one and tell that which bag has forged coins, but it will take 10 readings. Is there a way that I can differentiate between the coins? Since all the coins are similar except the weight between the real and forged coin, how can I differentiate between the similar coins? One of the way is taking different number of coins from different bags. For example, if I take one coin from bag number 1, its weight will be 1 gram. If I take 2 coins from bag number 2, the weight will be 2 grams and so on. So if I am taking different number of coins from different bags, the weights will be different. Now the expected weight of all these coins is 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 55 grams. But bag 6 has forged coins. So the 6 coins will weigh 6.6 grams instead of 6 grams. My total weight will be 55.6 grams instead of the expected weight of 55 grams. How can I use this? So for example, if I get total weight as 55.8 grams and my expected weight is 55 grams, the extra weight which I have got is 0.8 grams. Now each forged coin weighs 0.1 gram extra. So it means I have got 0.8 by 0.1 is equal to 8 extra forged coins. Now I can see from the table that I took out 8 coins from bag number 8. So it means bag number 8 has got forged coins. Now in this way I am going to solve for any number of bags, and the bags can be solved in one reading only. Keep practicing guys, and thanks a lot for watching this video.